Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video about Liquidware FlexApp. Today I want to show you how easy it is to deliver any layered app with FlexApp to any Windows OS or platform. This environment has one server VM for the management console, one packager VM and one non-persistent Windows 10 client VM. We start with the packaging. This VM is a clean Windows 10 machine, just with some runtimes installed as C++, .NET and the packager console, which can all be deployed at once with our installer. As you can see, the system drive is clean and so is the program files. So, when we start the packager console and log into our management interface, we directly show you our existing apps in the catalog from where you can modify and clone existing packages. Just log in with your AD username and password. So as you can see, it's a simple UI where you can see all your apps, create new apps, import apps, etc. In the upper right corner you see the settings icon where you can define your own environmental settings, like the default paths for installers and the VHD location, for example. If you click create, you can create a new package. So let's start with giving it a package name. For this demo we want to package Google Chrome. It's a very common application which is updated at a high pace. As you can see, we have the default installer location. We browse to the installer location and search for our Chrome standalone setup. We select the disk format, in this case we use VHD as our most flexible format, and we define the path to store the VHD package on our file share in this case. But it can also be Azure Blob Storage or Amazon S3. You can predefine the VHD size and define if it's static or expandable on this size. We can also use compression for low bandwidth connections, for example. After that we click on create and the capture process starts automatically because we selected the installer. Also the installer is automatically started for us. As you can see, a folder and file is created automatically for our VHD file. The installer is started, and this is just a normal offline installer for Google Chrome, so no command line or transfer files used. But you can, if you want, and customize your installation with transfer files or the installer GUI. In the background you can see the VHD file growing while the app is installed on the system. That means that it's directly captured into the VHD. When the installer is finished, we can see the app is installed in the program files, etc. And we can click finish to end the capture. If we do, it's automatically saved in our catalog. After clicking finish, you can see that the program files is cleaned up, the application is uninstalled, so no application is left behind on the packager machine. On the file share itself we see the icon file, the settings file and the hard disk image file for the package. In the package console itself we can now see the application and choose to edit it, extend it or clone it, for example. For the demo I want to see the editor and show you how easy it is to look inside your VHD file to see what is captured in your package, which can be really hard for some other layering techniques. So we can browse over our system drive, see all the different folders and files that are created or touched by the installer. We can see the registry files for current user, local machine. everything you expected in the registry from this application. We can see some services that are captured. And here you see the elevation servers or update servers. We can capture printer drivers or printers. And also we have a separate shortcut module. So from here we can edit our shortcut, give a simpler name, for example, another icon, maybe another target if you want it. You can also give some extra arguments for, your test environment or your acceptance environment. So we just click save. All the modifications are saved into the package and we're done. So right now, because we are connected to our backend, if we switch over to our management server and see the management console for Unity, we can directly find our application in here. We just select on the newest date and we see the Google Chrome demo package available. If we want to deliver this application to users or machines, we just go to our configuration management, select FlexApp Dia, add a new rule, search for our Chrome application, drag it, drop it, and we can enable or click to layer functionality or cache blocks locally, which can be useful for some circumstances. We save our deployment, deploy the configuration file to our domain share. It can also be to a cloud share, for example. For this demo, to a domain share, and all clients and logins are pointing to this location and reading the ini file at startup. Now the config file is deployed, we can switch over to our client VM. At the client, we log in with our demo user. This is the first time this user is logging on to this machine. As you can see, we see the splash screen for Unity, which is the same agent for our FlexApp. So the same filter drive is used for our workspace environment management stuff as the FlexApps. We can already see the shortcut on the desktop for Chrome, but to show you how this works, we open disk management as an admin on this box. As you can see here, we can find the normal system disks, the recovery disks, but also our Google Chrome disk. This is the VHD that is attached as a VHD file inside Windows. If you look at the shortcut properties, you can see the path is the normal program files path. Here it is. The application is installed in the program files. You can find all the folders and executables in here. So for Windows, this is a normal installed application. And also for other applications that are or installed or layered, you can see this application as a local installed application. In the demo, I said we can also use click to layer for applications. In this case, Notepad++ is a click to layer application. And so is VideoLAN, for example, or WinRAR. What you can see on the screen is that if we click that shortcut in the start menu, the application is mounted real time into the disk management part, and all the files and folders are deployed into our program files folder. This makes it very dynamic and fast user experience for the user, with the lowest impact in the industry. So you can see the behavior is the same for click to later applications, as it's for applications that are mounted at login. So this is the demo on FlexApp. Make sure you look out for our other videos, subscribe at the YouTube channel, and well, talk to you later. Thank you.